Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I did not realize just how terrible and dull my knives were until I received this beautiful 5-piece set of knives from EUNA. This set of knives is made from a premium high carbon stainless steel, so they are built to last. These knives have a seamless one-piece design, and the handles make them extremely ergonomic and comfortable to use. With just these 5 knives, I am able to literally do any slicing and dicing that I need to do in the kitchen. So whether it's for a multi-purpose knife to just cut up anything and everything, to specifically for vegetables, or serrated for my bread, or even a more delicate paring knife, this set has it covered. Because these knives are so sharp, it has made meal prep time a breeze. I used to have to saw with my old knives to cut things, but with this, it's seriously a simple swipe and slice, and my food is cut up and ready to go. This has made it more enjoyable for me to prep meals, and also easier for me to do it. I really appreciate that these knives each come with their own protective sheath. This allows me to keep them in my drawer and protects any hands that may be reaching in for silverware. Not only do these knives make my job in the kitchen a little easier, but they're also beautiful to look at. The beautiful black sleek design makes them so aesthetically pleasing, and it makes me want to be in the kitchen and using them. This 5-piece knife set from EUNA is a premium quality. Not only are they extremely durable and beautiful to look at, but they are just what I need to slice, dice, and chop in my kitchen with ease. And that's just my point of view.